Hey guys, welcome to my channel AMI Classes. This is Aman, your physics teacher. In this lesson, I will discuss few sample numericals with you based on first two videos of work, energy and power. So if you have missed those two videos, then you can click on the I button and see those videos. And I will also give the link of those two videos in my description box. So let's get started for today. See on the screen, I have written a sum. A man spends 6.4 kilojoule energy. Let me write here 6.4 kilojoule energy. I am converting to joule and writing. In displacing a body by 64 meter. Displacement of the body is 64 meter. In the direction in which he applies force. So your theta is 0. Okay. In 2.5 seconds. Calculate the force applied and the power spent. So we will start with the formula of work, which is Fs cos theta. Right, here my theta is 0 degree, so cos 0 is 1, so simply I can write W equals to Fs. Now whatever energy man spends, that is equivalent to the work, so I can replace work with energy. Alright, now I will substitute 6.4 into 10 cube equal to F into S. S is 64. Okay, so let's calculate. My force is 6.4 into 10 cube by 64. If you do this calculation, you will get 100. Okay, see, I have shown the steps. So 100 Newton is the force. Right, now how much is power? Power is called rate of doing work or energy spent per unit time. Okay, so energy by time. Energy is how much here? Yes, it is 6.4 into 10 cube. 6.4 into 10 cube. And how much is the time? Time is 2.5 seconds. So let's do this calculation. 6.4 divided by 2.5, I'm getting 2.56, and then into 10 cube watt. Right, so this is my answer. Now students, as you are viewing this video, I hope it is helpful for you. Alright, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Please share it as much as you can, because you know it is lockdown period and many students will be benefited if you keep sharing this videos. Okay, and if you need any help and if you want online classes, one-to-one online classes, then you can contact me here. I have given my email ID amiclasses@gmail.com. Now let's proceed to question number 2. A pump is used to lift 500 kg of water from a depth of 80 meter in 10 seconds. Calculate the work done by the pump, the power at which the pump works. Right, so let us first write yes, the mass of water lifted is 500 kg from a depth of 80 meters, so that depth I can write h here. Okay, and time is 10 seconds. You have to calculate the work done by the pump and the power at which the pump works. Okay, now see here, I am reading. Pump is used to lift 500 kg of water from a depth of 80 meter. Calculate the work done. So here work done will be equal to potential energy stored in water, right, when it is lifted to a height of 500 meter. So I can say work done is mgh, and then I will substitute m into g. G is how much? It is not given. Let us take 10, and height is 80. Fine, so let's do the calculation. 40 into 10 to the power of 4 joule. So this much is my work done. Now how much is power? Let's write here answer. This is one of the answer. Power means rate of doing work, so work by time. Once I get work, I can substitute here. Time is 10, so it is 4 into 10 to the power of 4 watt. This is my another answer. Now here there is another question, third question. A boy of weight 40 kgf climbs up the 15 steps, each 15 centimeter high, in 10 seconds, and a girl of weight 20 kgf does the same in 5 seconds. Compare the work done and the power developed by them. Now compare means you have to find ratio. So let us write the given data first. Boy, girl. Okay, boy of weight 40 kgf, that means mass of boy is 40 kg. Okay, the weight is given actually in kgf, which is gravitational SI unit. So we write mass is 40 kg, climbs the 15 steps, so we write here n. Say n is the number of steps, 15 steps, each 15 centimeter high. So that is say 15 in, by 100 meter. Okay, in 10 seconds. So this is the data for boy. And girl has weight 20 kgf, so mass of girl is 20 kg. I'm adding g in the suffix to denote it is for girl. Does the same work in 5 seconds. Okay, and g value for both boy and girl is 10 Newton per kg. Calculate. We have to calculate, rather we have to compare the work done and the power developed. So work done, see how much is the work done by the boy. B I am adding in suffix to denote that it is work done for the boy. Now the work done by the boy will be equal to gravitational potential energy attained by the boy at that height. Okay, so see mgh 40, g value is 10 given, and how much is the total height? See here, this is height of one step. Okay, just a minute, let me write here capital H. I'm not using small h because small h I have used for height of one step, so I'm using capital H here. Okay, and I can say capital H is equal to number of steps into height of each steps. So my capital H will be 15 into 15 by 100. Okay, so this is work done by boy. I'm not calculating it because we have to find ratio. Now work done by the girl, again mass of girl into g into height of height climbed by the girl. Okay, so it is 20 here, mass, g is 10 and height is same. Now compare the work done means you have to find the ratio. So 40 into 10 into 15 into 15 by 100, 20 into 10 into 15 into 15 by 100. See, some of the things are getting cancelled, so I'm left with 2 by 1. My ratio is 2:1. WB is to WG is equal to 2:1. This is my answer. Now the next question is saying that you have to compare the power developed. Now power developed by boy by power developed by girl. So this will be work done by boy by time taken by boy, work done by girl by time taken by girl. So how much was the work done by boy? Oh, we did not calculate it separately. Let's do it now. Okay, so 4 into 15 square, 900 joule. Alright, and for girl, 15 square into 2, 450. Okay, so 900 was the work done by boy, time taken by boy is 10 seconds, work done by girl 450 joule, time taken by girl is how much? See here, 5 seconds. So let's do this calculation. So I am getting 1. So ratio of power developed by boy to power developed by girl is 1:1. So this is my answer. Now let's move to the fourth question. A boy takes 3 minutes to lift a 20-liter water bucket from a 20-meter deep well while his father does it in 2 minutes. Compare the work, power developed by them, how much work each does. Take density of water 10 cube kg per meter cube and G 9.8 Newton per kg. So first of all, let us write down the given information. Boy and father. Now boy is taking 3 minutes. 20 liters of water is being lifted from a 20-meter deep well. So let's write here height 20 meter. Actually it is depth, but I am writing H. Okay, while his father does it in 2 minutes. So everything is same, only time is different in boy and father. Alright, so work done by both is going to be same. But still, see, in this question they are asking part B, how much work each does. Actually they are doing equal amount of work, but let's find out how much it is. So we say work done is equal to mgh, because boy and father both are lifting water. So when they are lifting water, water is gaining potential energy. So whatever potential energy water is gaining, that much is the work done. So it is mgh. Now we know this formula, density is equal to mass by volume. So mass will be density into volume, G into H. Now density of water given is 10 cube. Volume of water is how much? 20 liter. Now 20 liter I will have to convert to meter cube. Now see here, I'm showing you a small calculation. We know, let me do it here roughly. We know 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. Okay, so how much is going to be 20 liter? We can apply unitary method. Okay, so it will be how much? 20 by 1000. Okay, I'm showing steps because some students don't understand, otherwise these are very basic things. Okay, 20 by 1000. Now G value is 9.8 and height is 20. So let us calculate 20 into 9.8 into 20, 3920 joule. Okay, so this much is the amount of work done. I am leaving it in SI unit only, 3920 joule. Now here in this case, for father and boy, work done is same. Okay, but power is different because time taken by boy and time taken by father is different. So let's calculate power. Power of boy is work done by time taken by boy. Work done was 3920. Time taken by boy is 3 minutes. If you want to convert to seconds, you can to find your answer in watt. But see here in the question they are asking compare power developed, so there is no need. Okay, after all you have to find ratio, so leave it like this, joule per minute. Okay, now power developed by father, same thing, same formula, work by time, 3920 by 2 joule per minute. Now let's calculate the ratio. How much it will be? It's okay, fine, I'm showing you the calculation. 3920 by 3 divided by 3920 by 2, so it's coming out to be 2 by 3. So my ratio is 2:3. PB is to PF. Better, sorry, just a minute. Yes, PB is to PF is 2:3. Now better you don't write in ratio form here, you show the fractional form here. So this is my answer. Dear students, if you like my video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt or query or any suggestion, then contact me at amiclasses@gmail.com.